Quesadilla. I'm with my little brother, Andrew.
And I'm with my other brother, Joshua. And this is Can a Quesadilla. This is a channel where we make different quesadillas every video and see if the ingredients can or can't quesadilla.
This week is Teacher Appreciation Week. So this whole week, we're going to be taking suggestions from our teachers and making the quesadillas. So what we have today is a spaghetti, pesto, and mozzarella cheese quesadilla.
Yep.
This was a suggestion by my math teacher, Mr. Gowdy.
Thanks, Mr. Gowdy.
So I'm not sure about this. Actually, I am pretty sure about this quesadilla. I'm in between because I've actually never tried pesto.
Me neither.
So it almost looks like guacamole. I'm not sure. Andrew?
If I like the pesto, it's probably going to be because pretty much everyone has tried noodles before, so
Let's hope.
let's hope. So everyone has to like that. And cheese, who doesn't like that?
Yeah, we're using mozzarella cheese instead of our regular Fiesta blend, which we usually use in most of our videos.
Go watch them.
Go watch them. Go watch them. Go watch them. Spaghetti. We have some spaghetti noodles.
Even though I just said that.
Yeah, I know. I think pesto sauce might be good on spaghetti noodles, but let's go cook.
So first we're going to preheat the skillet. And as usual, I'm going to add butter to the pan to make the quesadilla more crispy and better tasting. That got on really easily.
Now we're gonna grab our tortilla. We're gonna catch it before it gets off the pan somehow.
Yep.
Spread it around a little bit. Make sure it gets on the skillet and the tortilla because you want to make sure tortilla gets nice and buttery. I think that's good.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so now I'm going to put a handful of cheese, but I might have to put more as...
Make sure you spread it all over the place.
Okay. Okay. Just one more handful, because that's what usually always happens. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that.
Alright, now we're gonna add our spaghetti noodles. So,
This actually might be kind of good.
yeah, I mean, it's pretty much gonna be a spaghetti quesadilla without the tomato sauce. I don't care. Oh, it reminds me of like when I don't know. You know the boxes of noodles at like the Chinese restaurant. I don't know why, but it reminded me of that. I feel like it would be kind of weird. Now we're gonna add the pesto sauce, but I feel like it would. No, just let me play.
No.
Yeah.
Fine.
I feel like it'd be kind of weird without the spaghetti noodles because it would just. I feel like it'd be kind of plain. But I don't know how pesto sauce tastes, so I can't really. I think it would. I think it's gonna be better with spaghetti noodles. It'll fill it up more.
I think that's enough pesto.
It's pretty much all gone, so. Okay, let's grab our spatula. Let's fold it. And a boom. It's already kind of brown, so I'm gonna check it just to.
Hey, Joshua.
What?
There's a spatula right here the whole time.
Oops.
Oh.
Oopsie. Spatula.
Double flip. No.
Okay, now I'm gonna check it because it's been a couple minutes. So let's check. Yep, that's perfectly crispy.
Okay.
Let's hope this doesn't fail like the last time I flipped a quesadilla. Go watch that video, last video, number 9. Nope, wrong way. Close one. Boom, son. Boom, son.
Yeah.
Boom. A couple things about Mr. Gowdy. He was my math teacher, or he is my math teacher. He is really good at math. He's really funny. He makes a lot of funny dad jokes. I love his jokes. He made one about a dinosaur. I kind of forgot it, but it was a good one. I'm sad that we couldn't finish the year with him because I love having math with him. It was really fun. Now we're gonna check it because it's been a minute or so. That looks done. Okay, can you grab me a plate?
Yeah.
Bare hands. That's how Quesadilla Master does it. Back to review. Time to review. Hey guys, we're here with the review with our dad. So we have a big quesadilla to eat.
Yeah, so what do we have?
We have spaghetti and pesto.
I'm going to say this is probably one of the best, most well-cooked quesadilla you guys have made. This is amazing.
And this time, instead of fiesta, we're going to use mozzarella.
So you said what was in here?
Spaghetti noodles and pesto.
Spaghetti noodles and pesto. That's a fantastic combination if you're having spaghetti.
I've never tried pesto, so...
Yeah, we've had pesto.
We have?
Yeah. Your mom makes garlic bread with pesto.
It smells
But
so familiar.
you probably don't remember, but that's okay.
Yeah.
All right. Who wants the biggest piece?
I'll take it, I guess.
Yeah, well, that's obvious because I'm taking the smallest.
Oh, this
You
looks
can
like
have
a
that.
green.
This
It's
is
like the place all
greasy.
slimy.
I bet that's all the pesto. Look,
Oh,
it's
this looks
dripping,
so good.
dripping grease. Oh, it smells amazing. All right, guys. So spaghetti and pesto, and this is from
Mr. Gowdy.
Mr. Gowdy. Thanks, Mr. Gowdy. That's great. I'm glad that we can get you involved. This is the greasiest quesadilla we've had so far.
It smells.
It
It does smell like French toast, or not French toast.
How hot is it? It's
garlic bread.
pretty hot.
Yeah, we should just wait.
It smells like garlic bread. For sure.
It actually does. It actually kind of changed my thoughts. I think it's gonna be good.
Yeah, I think this is going to be good. All right, why don't we crack into this thing? I think we can take
Yeah.
a bite.
It's not bad. Look,
That's real good.
all I really taste is the noodles. I can't get any pesto. I'm mostly trying to get that because
That's
I
really
want to
good.
know what it tastes like.
It definitely can.
It actually can.
It definitely can.
Mm-hmm.
It's good.
I can taste I can't taste the noodles. I can taste the pesto.
I can't taste Actually, I can.
No, I can taste. Hands down, this is the best quesadilla that they've made so far.
Actually,
Mr. Gowdy, you nailed it.
in my
I mean, yeah, it's greasy, but I mean, doesn't grease make everything better? Right? Makes everything taste better.
Yeah.
Usually.
Thanks, Mr. Gowdy.
So definitely
This is really
can. We got can from you, can from me, can from Joshua. 3 cans, and what does that mean?
try
That's
it.
how you know you should
good.
try
It's
it.
an ultra can.
Mr. Gowdy is my favorite now. I've changed it. It's my favorite.
Andrew's coming up 2 more years till you can have Mr. Gowdy, so
Yeah.
hey, maybe you'll have him and you can suggest more quesadillas.
Mm-hmm.
If you have a suggestion, I'm sure Joshua will cover this. Please leave it in the comments
Please.
down below. We're adding them to the list. The boys now have 40 maybe
Like
suggestions
30,
to go through. So
32.
we're gonna get it on the list and we're gonna get to it. But Teacher Appreciation Week means all the teachers jump ahead of everyone else. So that's why we're doing this. If you're waiting for your suggestion, it's coming.
Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Comment some stuff down below, please. We'll see you next time. I'm Quesadilla. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.